Is it camera? Oh yeah. So this is the first video on Scott Free's channel.
Hey,
So we need to ask him a couple of questions. So Jack, what's a question we should ask him?
How old are you?
How old are you?
47.
Okay.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Play hockey.
Okay. What do you like better, dirt bikes or mountain bikes?
Dirt bikes.
Thought so. How many subscribers are you gonna reach for on this channel?
I'm looking for like 1 million plus.
Okay, that's good. That's a good amount. So how you liking riding that little track bike there?
Pretty good riding my son's bike.
It's pretty
Not
good.
bad. It's a little small, but I can live with that.
Well,
I'm gonna try and turn right here. See all that one.
Do you have any children?
I do.
How many?
Well, I have one natural born child.
One natural born children. Logic.
That was awesome. Are we gonna edit that?
Nope. This is raw footage right there. Go away! Mr. Electric over there is having a blast. Oh, that was funny. I almost died. So, this is probably not a very good video because we're on bikes and we're going around our block. And, it's cool. And,
Stop sign.
so, there's stop signs right there. Where are we going?
And we're turning right.
Oh, okay. Are they turning right too?
I don't know. Nope, they're not turning right.
Scudo! Let's race! I'm one-handed, by the way. Ah. I'm recording. Gonna freaking die. So, we'll probably get better at this vlogging stuff because me and, that guy, don't do that! I almost ran into you! And it's not good. Anyways, we're gonna get better at this vlogging stuff because me and that guy, that insane one over there, that keeps getting on the dirt bike and tries to kill us all, he keeps trying. So we both have a channel, but it's all about our bikes and stuff, and it's with GoPros. So we'll get better at this vlogging thing. And Scott,
Yeah.
make the outro.
Okay. So that's all for today.
He almost killed someone. All right, see you in the next one.